In this video, you'll learn how to fix vulnerabilities using Claude Code. This guide will walk you through the process of identifying and addressing security issues in your code to generating a security report. Begin by scanning your code with the ESLint security plugin. Open your terminal and run the command bxlssr backend.js. This action will analyze your backend JavaScript files for any potential security vulnerabilities. Once the scan completes, review the output for identified issues. The next step involves scanning your dependencies with Snike. Execute the command npx snike test in your terminal. This will check your project's dependencies against known vulnerabilities. Make sure to take note of any issues that Snike reports, as these will need to be addressed. Now use Claude Code to audit your code and generate a vulnerability report. Run the command Claude Code -file src backend bod-based asrc task audit for security vulnerabilities and unsafe patterns to check your backend files. Additionally, run Claude Code -file srt sace frontend for security issues like XSS unsafe input or leaking secrets for your front-end files. This process will output a list of unsafe patterns and suggestions for remediation. To fix the identified vulnerabilities in your code, utilize Claude Code to generate secure replacements. For backend security issues, run Claude Code -file src/backend/auth.js-task rewrite authentication code to fix security vulnerabilities. Then, for input validation and sanitization, execute Claude Code -file src/backend/roots.js-task. Add proper input validation and sanitization to prevent SQL injection or accessors. Finally, refactor your encryption code by running Claude Code -file sysrs/backend/utils/encrypt.js-task fix encryption code to use secure algorithms and key management. This tool can directly rewrite insecure blocks and produce safe code. Next, address dependency vulnerabilities by updating vulnerable packages safely. You can do this by executing npx snack wizard, which will guide you through the update process. Alternatively, have Claude Code generate commands for safe updates by running Claude Code -file package.json-task. Suggest safe updates for dependencies with known vulnerabilities. This will help ensure that your dependencies are up to date and secure. After addressing the issues, focus on securing authentication and authorization mechanisms. Ensure that password hashing, JSON Web Tokens, and role-based access are appropriately fixed. Run Claude Code -file srd/backend/auth.js-task ensure secure password hashing and JW2 token handling, and Claude Code -file src/backend/middleware/raw middleware. These steps will help safeguard your application from unauthorized access. To mitigate front-end vulnerabilities, sanitize inputs, and escape outputs, use the command Claude Code -file src/soft rewrite front-end code to prevent XSS, SESAF, and data leaks. Claude Code can also suggest adding content security policy headers and secure fetch calls to further enhance your application's security. After implementing all fixes, it is essential to rerun the audit to confirm that vulnerabilities have been addressed. Execute Claude Code -file srgs-task audit again to ensure all vulnerabilities are fixed, and run npx narsnack sace test, again to ensure there are no remaining warnings or insecure patterns. Finally, generate a security fix report by allowing Claude Code to summarize all changes and fixes in Markdown format. Run the command Claude Code -task, generate a security report listing vulnerabilities fixed and steps taken. This will produce a file, such as security-fixes.medd, that serves as a reference for your team. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.